A very good morning to all of you friends. I am Dr. Mandar Agashe, Consultant Pediatric Orthopedic Surgeon at the SRCC Children's Hospital managed by Narayana Health. Today I am going to talk to you about something which is very important for a pediatric orthopedic surgeon, which is congenital clubfoot. Congenital clubfoot is one of the commonest foot disorders in children. Its incidence is about 1 in 1000 live births, which means that the total disease burden in the whole of the country runs in lakhs and lakhs. What exactly is congenital clubfoot? Basically, congenital clubfoot is a condition in which the foot is turned inwards, the entire foot and ankle is turned inwards and looks like a golf club, which is where the name clubfoot has come from. It is a condition which, if left untreated, can lead to severe morbidity and severe amount of limb and secondary issues in the knee and the hip. Till a few years back, the treatment for congenital clubfoot used to be multiple and very morbid surgeries. These surgeries used to take place at anywhere between 6 months to 1 year, and many a times this surgery would lead to a very stiff, inflexible foot. Due to the very morbid procedure of the surgery, many children in India especially used to get neglected, and they used to present to the doctor as neglected club feet, which used to be absolutely stiff, and the child used to walk on the outer border of the foot like this. In the last couple of decades, there is a revolutionary new treatment which is known as the Ponseti casting method, which has tremendously changed the management of congenital clubfoot. What exactly is this Ponseti method? Ponseti method was a method which was described by a very famous pediatric orthopedic surgeon from the United States named Ignacio Ponseti, in which this is a method of serial plastering which is done from the toes to the thigh or to the groin, which is started immediately after birth. Most of the times we start the treatment within 1 to 2 weeks of birth itself. Here we give multiple serial plasters, usually every week. Usually about 4 to 6 plasters are needed, after which the child's foot starts becoming more and more like normal with every cast. So it's not a single stage correction that we do, it's a serial correction that we do, just like a car's gear. After which, in about 90 to 95% of cases, a small surgery, a very small scarless surgery in the form of a tender Achilles tenotomy is performed right at the back of the heel, after which the child's foot looks absolutely normal. The child requires special shoes only during the night time for a period of about 3 to 4 years, which means that from about a year onwards, the child does not require any special footwear during the time the child walks. This has completely revolutionized the treatment of clubfoot. The child with congenital clubfoot treated with the Ponseti method can run, can jump, can wear normal footwear, can even run marathons. We even have had marathons or mini marathons, as we call it, with kids with congenital clubfoot whom we have treated with Ponseti method. With the help of this Ponseti method, we have almost decreased the number of surgeries which we have to perform, and the child gets an absolutely normal looking foot. We at our team of SRCC Children's Hospital at managed by Narayana Health are extremely adept at managing these difficult kids with Ponseti method. Thank you, method.